door open. But I don't know how to open this. I'm only 5 years old. Cool.
How does this go together?
Cool. No idea what this is for. The color. Cool.
Ah, what?
Weird
this?
scissors. Are these for like trapping bugs? I don't want them. Ew, is this to hold bugs? Ew. What is this? Oh, it's a little vest. Ezra want to wear it. Adventure vest. Cool. Wait, I think this is for like a light or something. The bugs. Ew, there's a magnifier at the top so you can look at it closely. Here, look at you, little adventure. That part looks very fake. Like it's actually not very sorry. Yeah. How do you use this thing? Ew, don't make that bigger. Ew. Look how it moves. Bigger. Oh. Ew. Baby shrimp in the snail. We have a magnifying glass. Look at this little shrimp. Can you see it? Tiny. Yeah. There's even tinier ones. You see those things that look like bugs that are floating around? Look. That one can walk. It's baby shrimp. Yeah, baby shrimp. Literally a baby shrimp. It looks like a caterpillar. Ew. Hold on, wait, what? What? That's not a baby shrimp. That's a baby snail. Wait, yeah, I know the whole thing says like whatever you want.